Good morning everyone, this is Bob here, and we've got another train. Okay, Super Mario one, but it's train nonetheless. This is the Bowser Express train. Yes, it doesn't fit onto normal train tracks, but that is my challenge. I've been asked to convert this to a normal train track compatible train. So it's going to be quite interesting. But first, we're going to build it, and then we'll convert it across to the normal train track. Obviously quite simple, as the front wheels just need to be swapped around. Problem solved. But the other wheels we'll have to see. But yes, so that's what we'll be doing overall, is doing a mock and converting it, putting a motor, a powered up battery bank, so it can run on normal track. Now this set was released on the 1st of August 2024. It has 1,392 pieces. Obviously it's part of the Super Mario with interactive figurines. So obviously a lot of bouncing around. It's an expansion, so you obviously need these these figurines to use it, and obviously starter pack. This set is retailing for $119.99 and euros. It's 104 pounds and 99 cents. In South Africa, it's 2,499 rand. What else can I say about this? Yeah, it's actually got some nice dark red. I mean, these new wheels in dark red is what's quite interesting. I was going to get this just for the wheels, and then a lug member has asked me to build this into an actual running locomotive for them. So I was quite interested and up for the challenge. So they're like, yeah, you build it and convert it. All she wants the train. So let's see how that goes. So first we'll start off with the speed build, and then we'll have a look at the train afterwards and go from there. Let's first have a look at the box. Okay, so some information. It's 68 centimeters. There's 3 carriages. Obviously the locomotive and tender all in one, which is going to be quite interesting. That might make my life a bit easier, but we'll have to wait and see. Nice little shooter on this one. Quite open here with a roof that goes on, so we'll see how that goes. And this, we obviously have to make sure it moves up and down when you pull it along. That's going to be one of the main features. But yeah, quite interested and quite intrigued. So let's start the build. Bowser Express train is complete. Quite a big chunky set. Love the facial details. Bowser in the middle. The eyebrows. Nice thing is if the chimney, you can see it moves up and down. Moves up and down. The back piece here turns to obviously And then you have a nice little control here, so you can disengage it if you want to, or engage it so it will turn. Obviously the cloud goes up automatically. Those are linked to the wheels, which is quite nice. It's a little thingy here I struggle to get out of. I mean, it doesn't always come out first time, but you can get out of it. This guy fits on the back here. Let's put his arms up. Quite an aggressive movement. I think they should have actually geared it down slightly so it moves like that whenever it's going along, because it's quite quick movement at the back there. But the Bowser itself is quite interesting build, quite detailed. Look at that. Some gold bars in the front here. Now let's look at the other carriages. Okay. This one, nothing special, just opens up, little close it down. This one, these two, when the wheels turn, they bounce up and down. It's quite interesting. Old mechanism, but still good. This one, you just have a shooter on it, but cool thing is the shooter pivots. So yeah, in terms of train, each carriage is quite interesting, quite different. They've all got their own little gear linkage or something that happens. There's not multiple of the same. The Bowser one did get stuck every now and then, so I just need to check the build on this one. But it does work. You just got to push down. Yeah, overall, quite an interesting build, quite big train. I'm going to have quite a bit of challenge to bring it down to 6 to match the train tracks, because obviously this is all 6 wide, where I need to have it 4, or the space between the wheels 4 wide. So the wheels probably have to shrink in. These I'll probably remove. These I'll probably have to put on a little bogie at the back there. In terms of the wagons, they're quite simple, just shorten this gap here. These wheels at least sit on the track. This one here, I'm not too sure if I have to put a bogie or with pivot point, or just have them fixed. I'll try it out and see, but if I do, I'd have to remove a set of wheels if I keep them fixed. Probably going to go fixed on that. But anyway. Yeah, so that's the Bowser Express train build. I hope you enjoyed this video. Next, please hit the thumbs up and the subscribe button for the modification of this where we motorize it. Bob out.